Hello, welcome to Author Talk. I am Peter Webb. I published 21 books on Amazon KDP. Today I published one blog on Medium that is related to AI hack, recursive prompting. How this prompting we can use for very apt and suitable prompt for different medias. Suppose if you want to make an email, or if you want to post in LinkedIn or Facebook, you can make suitable prompt as per the direction, as per the instruction. So what is recursive prompting? That means you are instructing the AI by different methods. You can break down the instructions into different sections, segments. Then you will get better result. Here you can see the details. AI gets more context and you refine as you go. Better results. If you use the recursive prompting, we will get more suitable, more relevant results. Instead of asking AI to solve a big problem in one go, you can break it down into smaller, more manageable prompts. Then we will get more suitable result. Then another blog also I wrote how to use prompting for LinkedIn. That is also today published. You can see here. AI prompt for LinkedIn. Here also I use the same method, recursive prompting method. By using that method, you will get very fine, refining prompt for audience research. That is the breakdown part of prompt 1, then prompt 2, then prompt 3. Then for the content creation, that also you can use prompt 4, prompt 5, prompt 6. That is the breakup. If you use this kind of breakup prompt, you will get more suitable result. So thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow we can meet with another video. Bye.